tutandike n'okubatuusaako ebadde saako n'ebisaliddwawo mu lusirika lwa National Resistance Movement.
Be amended by deleting the same and replacing them with the following. Elections shall be conducted by way of lining up behind the candidates nominated for the office of their representatives.
Line up behind you, then the disappointed leader will be on bad terms. But even with the secret ballot, people take positions openly.
Chairman, sir, I do second the amendment that Article 39, 10E and 44(3) of the NRM Constitution be amended.
The flag bearer, I can assure you as a member of parliament, I could not lie because I knew the implications. This causes long-term enmity among the communities. And I think lining up, despite the cost effectiveness, is something that can cause long-term hatred in the community.
Again, say nay.